This is Michael Gerace with Clearview Sewer Cams. It is March 16th, 2020. We're at 2320 Malcolm Avenue, Los Angeles, California, 90064, performing a waste line and a sewer line inspection. We're at the back of the house and we are right at the clean out. We're going to zero out our camera monitor. And this is our 4-inch ABS plastic cleanout. This is the backyard area. And we're going to begin running through the 4-inch ABS plastic waste line going toward the front of the house. We could not locate a mainline sewer cleanout at the front of the house. We did locate one at the sidewalk area that will show us the 4 to 6 inch connection to the city lateral and show us the city lateral. But we did not have one out in front of the house. Get some build up a little bit here. Long lengths of ABS plastic sewer piping and waste piping. Underneath the house it is considered waste piping, and 2 foot outside the perimeter of the foundation it transitions to sewer piping. This is all 4-inch ABS plastic waste piping. Running toward the front of the house. We have a long run. The house is pretty deep going toward the back from the front. We are at the back left-hand corner of the property. If you're looking at the property from the front, we are pretty close to the area right below the kitchen sink. We're going to run all the way out. We'll see if we can locate anything, if we can locate a clean out in front that may be buried. A little bit of glue hanging right there. Just have some inlets, a little bit of burrs on the face of the ABS plastic. It wasn't reamed when it was put in. Should not pose a problem though. Got somebody running some water right now. We're going to go ahead and just going to continue to run out. If you have a hard time seeing, we'll try and take a better look as we pull back. Making a little bit of a turn here. Some more water running. We're going to be in water right there. Appears that we have water standing right here. At this point we got a little bit of a belly. Not terrible though. Holding some water back just a little bit right in here. But it drops right in just in a couple feet. Shouldn't pose an issue. We got a drop right here. Kind of hard to tell. It does appear that it may be into vitreous clay. It's a liner. See it from here. We're in vitreous clay with a liner. We have a sewer liner from the 4 to 6 inch connection. I'm just going to keep running out. somebody has installed a CIPP cured in place piping sewer liner from the 4-inch to 6-inch city lateral connection, by the sidewalk area out to the city sewer, I believe. We're going to keep running out. Like we're making a turn right here. Should be dropping into the city sewer right there. I'm going to rinse our camera lens off a little bit. Pull back to, we have quite a bit of water rushing right there. Pause for a moment. Okay, we're going to begin pulling back now, and we'll take a good look at the line. We're in the city sewer right now.
Okay.
As we're pulling back, right at this point, you see the numbers on that.
Yeah.
That's a cured in place piping.
Okay.
That's a CIPP, cured in place piping sewer liner.
Okay.
That's, like I said, the cloth sock.
Okay.
Got a little bit of a ripple down at the bottom,
Uh-huh.
so it's holding a little tiny bit of water right there. Not terrible, but in the turns, it does get a little ripple in it, but still looks to be okay.
Okay.
So we're coming back. As I said, you can see the numbers on the liner.
Yeah.
And that appears to be a 6-inch liner inside from the sidewalk area to the city sewer. Generally the piping is 6-inch. Then when we come back to the sidewalk area on the property, it's generally 4-inch,
Cool.
which is more than sufficient.
Okay.
It's the code and it is sufficient.
Great.
Looks like they did a pretty good job on the liner from what I can see.
Okay.
A little bit of a ripple right there. Holding back some water right here. Got a pretty good ripple right there. That could cause a problem in the future.
Okay.
More than likely not,
Okay.
but it's possible.
Okay.
And then we're transitioning back to the ABS plastic
Okay.
right here. And that's smaller piping, smaller diameter. That's 4-inch.
Okay.
And then from what I could see, the 4-inch piping coming back. That's the test tee right here. And then we're coming up the line. This all looks to be in pretty good condition.
Cool.
Now we've got a long way just to pull back. All you're going to see is black ABS sewer piping and waste
Got it.
piping, and you're in good shape now.
Okay, so you think everything's fine, and I mean,
Yeah, as far as I can see, everything looks to be in fair condition. Okay, we're going to continue to pull back. We're just going to run out. We're going to run back out for a quick second to the one area. We had a little. Okay. Pulling back now. We're going to blow this up at the office and just take a better look at it. We'll take a closer look at the office, see if we can see anything. I don't know if that could be a root intrusion embedded in there. But we will take a look. We'll blow it up at the office on the laptop. Continue pulling back. We looked at all those joints. We're pulling back toward the house. Just going to locate this area real quick. Okay, we've located this area on the grass at approximately 1 foot 7 inches deep. Appears to be a branch line. I continue to pull back. Pulling back through the waste line underneath the house now, and the waistline appeared to be in pretty good condition. Didn't see any issues. Everything's drained out pretty well. A little bit of a buildup in there, but not terrible. Coming back toward our waistline cleanout, our 4-inch ABS plastic waistline cleanout at the end of the house. Pulling back up and pulling out of our waistline cleanout. Now we'll conclude our waistline and sewer line inspection.